Hi, Chad Kane from Kane Chevrolet Buick GMC. I'm here in our collision center. Just wanted to let you know a little bit of the things that we're doing so that we help you get your vehicle back on the road in case of some kind of unfortunate accident. First of all, we put a whole new system in, whole new curtain, whole new aluminum setup. So when the vehicle that you're driving has aluminum on it, we are prepared to be able to take care of that vehicle for you. It has to be all enclosed and away from all the other metals when we're welding on it, and that's why we had to do that. The other thing that we did do is we bought a brand new frame rack to make sure that everything is straight on your vehicle. We want to make sure that when you're driving down the road, your wheels are all going in the same direction to keep that wear and tear on the vehicle down to a minimum. Not many of the body shops or collision centers out there have the technology that we put into our collision center every single year. We send our people to school, and we also stay up to date on all of the technology that needs to be done on these new vehicles. These new vehicles are extremely technical, and you want to make sure that we know what we're doing. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe.